Alright, so I was having some issues with this Hotpoint dryer here. It turns out that the issue is not with the dryer itself, but with the nub slipping and not allowing it to turn. And I was pushing so hard on top of this nub on the switch right here that it actually pushed it in. That's why I have this open here. Anyway, one idea you could do that I thought of was to put a clamp on that knob right there and squeeze it in. I actually had to cut away in between these little plastic things right here to get the clamp to slip down. So I was able to push it down and tighten it up. And that's my nub, because I actually bought a brand new one, but the hole was a little bit too small, so it looks like I bought the wrong one. But that's something you guys could try, guys.